Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS ZenFone Max Pro M1, and today I will show you how to clear browsing data. So, jumping straight to it, we're gonna do it on the Chrome browser, which is the default one for this device. And once you open it, just stop no thanks, and close whatever tabs I have open. Let's go back. Okay, so once you're in the browser, normally you will have three dots up here, but because I have an update, I have well, the red download arrow, but you can see it now. So tap on them. From here, you will have history, so you can tap on history. And as you can see, that's basically all the history that I have. And from here, you can basically delete it individually by tapping on an X like so. Or you can also tap on clear browsing data. And from here, choose the time range. So right here, last hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, and all time. I'm just gonna select all time. And then you get also additional options that you can remove. So browser history, which, well, you should have that selected, considering that what we want to remove. Then you have cookies and site data that will also remove some files, and then cache images and files. So I would just keep it all, and then basically all the history will be removed. Otherwise, let's say cache images and files might be kept and stored somewhere. So for instance, like when you load sites, it will preload images, and they will be kept in like a temporary folder on your device, so they can be loaded quicker next time you visit the same website. So yeah, now let's just tap on clear data, please wait, and now we're back in the history, and there is nothing here anymore, and the history has been fully cleared. So that is how you would clear browsing data, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.